Hello everyone, my name is Dominic Testo from Specialty Silicone Products in upstate New York, USA. I'm here today to take you through a presentation that involves our military-grade silicones and fluorosilicones along with our EMI RFI shielding materials. In particular, I'm here to talk about the geographic region of Australia, New Zealand, and Australasia. In this region, we have decided to pick Queensland Gaskets to be our preferred converter, die cutter, and distributor of these materials. Queensland Gaskets has several different cutting methods, including water jet cutting, die cutting, and other options when you're talking about converting a raw material into a final part. With their customer service and their technical know-how, it was an easy choice to make Queensland Gaskets our preferred distributor, converter, and partner in the region. Please enjoy the presentation. Queensland Gaskets can help with individual inquiries and technical help. Thank you.
Let's get started by looking at the most common mil-spec silicones. All these materials are the most popular grades offered through Queensland Gaskets from SSP. The first spec you see is the mil DTL 25988. These are mostly used for fuel and solvent resistant applications. They can be made from 40 to 80 durometer and in some custom cases 30 Shore. The next one you see is the AA 59588. These materials are a very standard mil-spec in North America. They include low temp, high strength, and intense tear resistance. Finally, you see AMS grades. This is a wide silicone range with many different specifications including low temp, fluorosilicone for fuel and solvent resistance, standard, and high strength grades. You can find more about these materials on the Queensland Gaskets website or on the SSP website at the link below. The intent of this page of the presentation is to give you an idea of how many different military-grade materials SSP produces. This is not the entire list, but gives you a good view at what Queensland Gaskets can offer the market in Australia and New Zealand. This page shows you a typical data sheet for a military spec fluorosilicone. Many companies across the globe can provide a data sheet with reference to a specification. When material is produced or resold, usually a COC or Certificate of Conformance is sent with it. SSP does things a little differently. Follow me along the next page so you can see the difference. This is an example of how SSP certifies military-grade elastomers. SSP provides a certificate of analysis that travels from SSP through Queensland Gaskets into the hands of OEMs. This will assure you that the material was fully tested to the military specification that you require. Many customers around the globe appreciate the fact that SSP does full testing and not just qualification testing. These applications are critical and the material needs to do its job every time. The final 3 pages of the presentation will give a quick overview of the EMI RFI shielding elastomers that Queensland Gaskets provides through Specialty Silicone Products. These materials are rugged, electrically conductive silicones and fluorosilicones that protect some of the most critical communications and weapons electronics globally. Here's a quick overview of EMI RFI shielding elastomers. They are used in combination of their EMI RFI shielding and environmental sealing capabilities. One gasket can both block RF and block wind-driven rain, dust, water ingress, and other environmental issues. Made conductive by putting conductive particles into silicones and fluorosilicones at a high loading level where they have excellent shielding but still provide a good gasket. They're mostly designed to the mil DTL 83528 specification. SSP is a US DLA, which is the Defense Logistics Agency, approved supplier to the 83528 spec. Only about 8 to 10 manufacturers in the world are registered, and Queensland Gaskets is our preferred technical supporter and fabricator in Australia and New Zealand. Here is a quick look at all the ways Queensland Gaskets and SSP can deliver conductive elastomers to you.